140 dB. We got the doors in here yet. Oh yeah. You want to tell us what you got in here, man?
It's a level 6 18 and a DC audio 5K. It's on 2 ohms. Rockford Fosgate 400.4. And then got custom speaker pods back there with the Defbonts Arnold. They're on like 100 watts.
Okay.
Don't have the tweeters yet. But...
Good deal, man. Did you build a box?
Yeah, I built everything myself. Been working on it for like 3 years.
Nice. What's the box tuned to?
It's 34 hertz.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, I love to hear it, man.
Find something good here.
Just one of those temp gauges from Steve Mead.
Yep, and then that's
and then the voltmeter.
I don't have the fans hooked up for that yet. I'm gonna do a plexiglass window right there where it's like notched out, so the amps are gonna be like enclosed.
All right.
And I'm gonna do like a air conditioning vent.
Cool. You gonna leave the windows up or?
I'm gonna crack them about like that much.
All right. It ain't raining now, so we should be good.
I just looked at the radar.
That's where
it looks
Google
like
Ads helps. Say you're an online fashion brand.
What you about to witness is the official Street King. He goes by the name of 550. And who am I? I am the boss of seen it all.
Man, that's deep, rich bass right there, man. I like that. So what you doing up under the hood?
Right now I just got it's not like an upgraded battery, I guess, but it's got all 1-aught wiring, all OFC wire.
Okay.
But I need to get a high output alternator. The voltage is hurting.
Oh, you just on stock alternator?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, doing all that? That is nice.
Yeah.
Wow. I had one more.
One more, all right.
We getting one more, guys.
Let me do a good one here.
This is a Toyota 4Runner?
Yeah, it's a 2000.
Oh, 2000 model. Toyotas run forever. At least that's what Scotty Kilmer says.
This one's been through 3 transmissions already.
Yeah. But that engine's still in there.
Oh, yeah.
Man, that sounds nice, man. That's nice and deep, too. I like that, man. What's your name?
I'm Alex.
All right, I'm PoppaT, man.
All right, appreciate it.
Appreciate the demo, man. Thanks for letting me check it out.
Yeah.
Rooster!
So loud and banging, I turn my speakers up and then I just start swinging. Yes.
What's going on, man?
Everything the same?
No. No, I changed it all out, man. I changed out the subs and that had a half on. Appreciate you checking it out, man.
Man, that thing that gets in your